Hello YouTubers, sorry about my voice, it's just that today I woke up with the cold and I still have the flu. So in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to play Minecraft mods for free. So, well, first of all, you need to have Minecraft, period. The full version, not the demo. And an account, a Mojang account. And all you have to do is just go in Google, type Technic Launcher. Then when it says Technic Platform, click it. You scroll down to where it shows Windows, Mac, and Linux. I don't care. I just know that. Sorry about my voice again. Well, since I have the Windows, you just click Windows. Then you have to save the file. Well, remember, this is on a Sony, so it might be different on your computer. But just go where you have the downloads. Click this twice. And then it'll show the Technic thing. But I already have it down here, so I just need to click this twice. And then it shows this, and then that shows up. But first you need to log in, and that's it. And I'm gonna be doing some more videos, like videos on Pixelmon and everything. So see you guys later.